So today we're going to be making 4 fall vegan lattes. They're going to be tea-based, so that means that they're going to be free of not only coffee, but also dairy. I'm also going to show you guys how to make milk froth without a milk frother. I would buy a milk frother, but I'm just cheap, so today we're going to be making it by hand. Welcome back to Who's Got the Tea, where we explore all things tea. My name is Shayna Hu. I'm a tea enthusiast exploring tea and taking you with me. Because it's now fall, that means latte season. So we have a gingerbread tea latte, an Earl Grey with lavender tea latte, a pumpkin spice chai tea latte, and a vanilla honey chamomile tea latte. Let's do it. So our first latte is going to be our gingerbread latte. We're using fresh ginger. I'm a big fan of ginger. Ginger can help reduce feelings of indigestion as well as nausea. And it's been proven to reduce blood sugar levels as well as reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. There are so many other benefits to ginger, but those are just to name a few. Once you've set your ginger to boil, add a cinnamon stick and brown sugar. Be advised, guys, that a cinnamon stick is very strong, so if you put the cinnamon stick in the pot with the ginger, it's gonna come out very cinnamony, so you don't need to add any extra cinnamon. Now we can add your cloves, vanilla extract, allspice, and nutmeg. Once your yummy mixture has boiled for 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and strain it out into a cup and add your warmed milk of choice. So I'm hoping to get the oats and the fresh ginger to get that gingerbread blend. And what better to pair with our gingerbread latte than ginger snaps? Cheers. It tastes pretty autumn to me. Next up, the Earl Grey with lavender latte. It's also known as the London Fog latte. I wanted to add a little bit of color, vibracity. Butterfly pea flower doesn't have a flavor of its own, but it gives off this vibrant blue hue. Butterfly pea flower is great and has so many benefits, including assisting in memory, helping with anti-anxiety to reduce your stress, improving hair, skin, and nails. So it really works with that lavender. Since I don't have my tea strainer, I'm just gonna put my Earl Grey and lavender in a French press and brew it that way. Lavender has so many benefits. It actually can be used for skin irritations like burns or even bug bites. It's very soothing and it's an antiseptic. And when we drink it, it helps with calming us. The Earl Grey lavender latte is perfect for staying in and still wanting that little bit of black tea kick. So we add honey and almond milk in this case. I wanted that nutty flavor to pair with the Earl Grey and lavender, so that's why I chose the almond milk. To create that wonderful froth for my drink, I just took my milk of choice, placed it in a pot and warmed it, and then whisked it up by hand. This is my take on the London Fog. All right, let's taste. This tastes so good. The Earl Grey is strong, prominent. I have the almond milk to add that creaminess. There is definitely some lavender and I taste the hint. It's like a floral little hint at the end. The butterfly pea flower that I added made it this beautiful gray bluish hue. It's so pretty. You fall latte lovers are familiar with the pumpkin spice chai latte. So that's what we're doing today. To begin, add your pumpkin puree to a pot and mix in your cinnamon, your cloves, and nutmeg. Instead of dairy milk, we will be using oat milk. I like to add some cane sugar at this point, and then my chai tea bag and mix. Sort of a pumpkin pie effect, right? The pumpkin filling and then the oat milk is kind of like the crust. And as our finish, we can add a little bit of whipped cream. You can choose between coconut milk, almond milk, pick your choice. It's time to try our lovely pumpkin spice latte. Wow guys, this is really good. The oat milk tastes like crust, and then the pumpkin tastes like the filling. All the ingredients, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, it all tastes like fall. It just creates a wonderful mix. Finally, we are at our Vanilla Honey Chamomile latte. It's the most calming, soothing latte that we've made yet. Really just perfect, I think. Pretty simple, guys. We're just going to brew our tea. Mine is actually a chamomile vanilla blend. If you don't have that, you just have regular chamomile, just add half a teaspoon to a whole teaspoon of vanilla extract, depending on your preference. And then you can put some honey in there, and then add your froth of milk, and voila! It's a nice warm drink right before you're going to bed. It doesn't have any caffeine. Chamomile helps reduce anxiety and stress. If you're looking for more info about chamomile, you can pop over to another video I did where I compared chamomile from a bag and chamomile loose leaf. Really easy, guys, so let's taste it. Oh. It's the perfect drink before going to bed on a cold evening. I hope that one of these 4 fall vegan lattes sparked your fancy. I think that they're great and you can do at home and they're so simple. Truly, all of them sparked my fancy. So let me know what you guys think. But until next time, see you soon. Nova!
Hello! Welcome to Who's Got the Tea? I'm her biggest fan.